Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambithi.
Steve.
It's Asanda.
Grand.
I'm Nandi.
I'm Nandi. Steve, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
Yeah, for winner by 5 goals. Looking at the way they dominated the game. For the whole 90 minutes, looking at Uguti, their flexibility, which is something that I realized Uguti, Coach Mikel Cardoso, nigeze, players if Uguti, these guys about Tengila two, Miguel Rezino. No Santos. This is something that I realized Uguti, we Sundowns as a whole, they put they add numbers kula majitha lawa umkwena kanye no Allende. Remember Allende all this time bese look kuthiwa iform yakhe they don't understand ukuthi ya drop out kanjani. So these guys njengoba begene ku Sundowns they gonna help Allende. If ubheka ukuthi uRezino first 45 minutes bunga understand ukuthi position yakhe idlala yipi because of he plays more as a player oyibiza kanjani kuthiwa the player cover the whole positions like the space code. If in the space ka left he goes there and take a baller and try to create. Even Nuno Santos that thing in realizing ngayo ukuthi he's that one kind of a player. He's a team player. He's not that one individual brilliant players uthatha ibhola ihambe nalo mhlawumbe ikore goal. So he wants his team ukuthi idlale, they want ukuthi bacombine. Even no Rezino is the same thing. Congratulations for him ukuthi akorelele goal. Remember debate yakhe he got a red card against Marumo when they were playing that Black Label Cup. But today he scored a goal. That's how you make a comeback if you're a professional footballer. Then also he congratulated this new player by Tengile. I think it's Tabeleng. Yeah, the new player. Yeah, they are by Tengile. He also scored his first goal for Mamelodi Sundowns, of which it's a good thing. Ukuthi ba lama goals even we bigger stage CAF. And looking at the way about dominating a game, it tells you ukuthi that is why they played. They said the Sundowns ayidlale Irande one ukuthi ingadlali the first bese iphindidla the second. It tells you ukuthi Sundowns is ready for competing with CAF. I think for me Mikel Cardoso is that one kind of a coach is a competition tournament coach more than a league coach. If ubheka ukuthi ku league last season ukuthi I don't want to go deeper into stats, but last season if ubheka ukuthi the most goals and most assists were provided by Ribeiro Costa, and we care for Ribeiro Costa didn't perform as Ribeiro, of which it tells you coach Mikel Cardoso is that one kind of a coach who can manage CAF games. But when it comes to league, I think it was not that much dominant, but because of there was Ribeiro Costa there who helped him ukuthi akwazi ukudominate ngale ndlela dominating ngakhona. If ubheka manje without Ribeiro, it tells you now there's something elekhaya ku league. But look at CAF first game total dominant 5-1. They are coming home but basusi pressure bayazi ukuthi masiya lapha even noma bengadlalisa amabhena nabo lihlako bezos enjoy intwana lapha ishayi. But for me I can say even in the team yase Nigeria nayo I think they created those chances, those half chances. If there's a chance about creating before halftime, I say Vilo Ronza. Then there's a second chance about low shy outside the box. Why Bamba Futu Ronza? Then the third one, but has say Gage was shy out. So for me, scoring that consolation goal now, I think is Obanigas good. At least we can score against Mamelodi Sundowns. At least we can say we can become one of the best teams in Africa. If you peg league players in Nigeria, it's not one of the best leagues. It's not rated as one of the best leagues around Africa. It tells you ukuthi ama players mayifika lapha mayikhula lapha ngebhola kufika ama Europeans afika zothatha ama players lapha. So lezi sala lapha sala lama players la uthi hayi vele lo reject yabo. So it's just something kanjalo. Ama stars even if ubheka I national team yabo kudlala ama teams ase Europe wonke la wadlala lapha. There's no player edlala ile league. If we are saying they are champions in Nigeria, you must show ukuthi okay one player at least or two bakhona ku national team they are representing in Nigeria. So it tells you about the quality abanayo. But for me me, total dominance for Mamelodi Sundowns and so much quality for Mamelodi Sundowns. I believe with the CAF Champions League this season, they're going to compete. But when it comes to others, league, there's so much competition there. Remember, they played 10 games. 7 games, 8 games. Abasana points. And points, games in hand and are not points in hand. But pressure is there for Mamelodi Sundowns. But when it comes to CAF, that is where Sundowns gonna be dominant. So, man of the match, so you guys go ahead.
Thank you.